Today lecture is calcium and phosphate metabolism and their role and bone formation. وده مخكي جزتا so the lecture this is lecture is prepared by Dr. Salman وإنشاءالله ويم by Dr. Najam. تاسو نه په previous lecture کې زه لږ تپوسونه به وکړم چې تاسو study کړي وو که نه وه. This is just distribution of calcium in human body. Total body calcium contain 1100 gram of calcium. Plasma calcium is its value is 9.4 to 10. This is different values in different units. 98.9% of body calcium is in bones. Majority of calcium is in bones. Okay, next. Distribution of calcium in plasma. Diffusible calcium and non-diffusible calcium. Diffusible calcium, also called active form of the calcium, and non-diffusible calcium, inactive form of the calcium. 9% of the calcium is also inactive in the plasma in the form of citrates and phosphates. Next, normal diet. We can take 1000 milligram of calcium plus 600 milligram of calcium is secreted from the into the GI tract. Total of 1600. For these 1600 K, 700 milligram is reabsorbed to the blood by the action of vitamin D. Later on, we will see what is the role of vitamin D. Calcitonin have role in calcium metabolism. We will discuss parathyroid hormone, vitamin D, and kidney play a major role in calcium regulation. Phosphorus, total body phosphorus 500 to 800 gram, 85% in skeleton, 14 to 15% in intracellular fluid, less than 1% in extracellular. Don't remember these values. This is not useful, just read it. We can take normal diet, we can take 900 milligram per day, and various processes taken place to reabsorb phosphorus from the GI tract to the blood by active transport, by passive transport. Some portion of the phosphorus contained in the bone. Some are excreted through kidney by glomerulus, and some are reabsorbed by proximal tubule. 90% are reabsorbed. Extracellular fluid calcium concentration normally is regulated very precisely because hypocalcemia and hypercalcemia both are dangerous. So the calcium level is maintained in a normal limit. Normal plasma value is about 9.4. Hypercalcemia leading to progressive depression of the nervous system, and hypocalcemia leading to excitability of the nervous system, and its result leads to fits, seizures, etc. Only about 0.1% of total body calcium is found in the extracellular fluid, and about 1% in the cells, and the rest is stored in the bones. Calcium in the plasma and interstitial fluid. About 41% of calcium is combined with the plasma protein in this form is indivisible. Through this chart, this slide is already we have seen 41%, non-diffusible, 50% diffusible. About 85% of body phosphate is found in the bones, 14 to 15% in the cell, and less than 1% in the extracellular fluid. Two forms of phosphate occur in our body, HPO4, H2PO4. The average total quantity of inorganic phosphorus for both ions is about 4 milligrams. Changing the level of phosphate in the extracellular fluid from far below normal 2 or 3 times normal does not cause major immediate effects on the body. And can start even a slight increase or decrease of calcium in the extracellular fluid can cause extreme immediate physiological effects. So the regulation of calcium is very important as compared to phosphate. If it become decrease or increase 2 to 3 times, nothing happened. But when calcium level is increased or decreased, it is dangerous. It must be treated. Hypocalcemia can cause severe excitement and tetany, increased permeability of neurons to sodium ions. Hypercalcemia depresses nervous system and muscle activity. These effects become marked as the calcium level rise above 15. Leave this slide. You have to read by its own. Now, this is calcium, that in which amount calcium we can get and how many it is absorbed, how many it is secreted, how many it is excreted in the urine, and how many it is stored in the bone. You have to read it by yourself. Bone and its relation to extracellular calcium and phosphate. Organic bone is formed from organic matrix of the bone, which contain collagen fiber. 90 to 95% of bone matrix contain collagen fiber and other substance like proteoglycans, chondroitin sulfate, hyaluronic acid, and bone salts have also plays an important role, which is composed of hydroxyapatite, collagen plus calcium phosphate plus hydroxyline plus bicarbonate. Combination of these is called hydroxyapatite. Just read it. Concentration of calcium and phosphate in extracellular fluid is greater than then required to cause precipitation of hydroxyapatite. Normally, bone have lower amount as compared to in some condition lower amount of phosphorus as compared to blood. So there is inhibitor which play a role which prevent precipitation in other tissues. That inhibitor is pyrophosphate. Mechanism of bone marrow calcification. Absorption and excretion of calcium and phosphate. Intestinal absorption and fecal excretion of calcium and phosphate. Renal excretion of calcium and phosphate. Approximately 10% of the ingested calcium is secreted in the urine. Now, Coordinated response in this slide is very important. Now we will discuss it very precisely. When calcium decreases in our blood, various changes occur in our body in the form of hormonal signals. Number one, there is parathyroid glands, which is present behind the thyroid gland. In response to hypocalcemia, parathyroid hormones increases, and it leads, and the role of parathyroid hormone is to activate vitamin D in the kidney. So kidney, parathyroid hormone will directly affect the kidney to increase calcium reabsorption and decrease phosphorus reabsorption. Parathyroid hormone, the net effect of parathyroid hormone is it decreases the phosphate in our blood and it increases calcium in our blood. Retain calcium and loss of phosphate. And the other effect, the indirect effect of parathyroid hormone, which is done in the kidney, it leads to stimulation of vitamin D in the kidney, calcitriol, which have two effects. It acts on the bone and it acts as a reabsorption phenomena. In response, calcium increases in the blood and phosphate also increases. It releases calcium and phosphate from the bones, moves calcium and phosphate from the bones to the blood. So vitamin D increases calcium and phosphate both. Parathyroid increases calcium and decreases phosphate. In the intestine, vitamin D effect is to increase calcium and phosphate absorption. This difference must be noted. Now, what about the phosphate regulation is already we have told that decreased phosphate will stimulate parathyroid hormone to decrease parathyroid hormone secretion. And when phosphate is decreases in the blood, free calcium will be increases because calcium is attached with phosphate and ionized calcium will be increases. When phosphate is decreased, calcium is increased. When calcium is increased, parathyroid hormone will be decreased. This is indirect effect. Indirect effect is when it is decreased, parathyroid hormone will decrease. The same phenomena, kidney, it will decrease parathyroid hormone. There will be no parathyroid hormone to act on the nephrons of the kidney, and its result leads to increased phosphate reabsorption and decreased calcium reabsorption. So the net effect will be phosphate retention and loss of calcium. Sir, why they have indirect relation? Indirect calcium or phosphate chidi da deobal sir combined form ki nomung sir jikam active form of calcium de aga ionized calcium. Ionized calcium da cha free form di. No chikala phosphate attachi the calcium sir no aga free form no so kana. No cha phosphate kam si no calcium ta moka melaw si chi da yawazi pa blood ki circulation. That's why the indirect effect. What's the vitamin D से इफेक्ट है डिक्रीज फॉस्फेट the vitamin D से इफेक्ट है बोन्स vitamin D चिरे इंक्रीज कई phosphate. Mung already welo. When phosphate decreases, vitamin D increases. It leads bone to increase calcium and phosphate release, moves calcium and phosphate into the blood. And vitamin D acts on the intestine and it leads to increased absorption of calcium and phosphate from the blood. The effect yet that decreasing plasma phosphate will increase plasma free calcium. Vitamin D has a potent effect to increase calcium absorption from the intestinal tract. Vitamin D itself is not the active substance. It must be converted through the succession of reaction. Most to 70% of the vitamin D is synthesized by the sun in our skin. That was the next slide. The sun vitamin D basang judi the role bam. No, padi ki active form of vitamin D chide da pa live pa kidney ki form ki final chikam product. De agita we 125 dihydroxy cholecalciferol. The cholecalciferol vitamin D3 is formed in the skin, ultraviolet and 7-dehydro. Next slide kita so nahi tazo badir khapo shay. The sunlight te da among skin de pa skin ki 7-dehydro cholesterol di sun padibani effect to ki and it leads to vitamin D3 formation in the skin, which enter to the blood from the skin and it carries to the liver. In the liver, further hydroxylase enzyme is present, 25 hydroxylase enzyme, which change vitamin D3 to 25 hydroxy vitamin D3. Then it goes through the blood to the kidney, where further one other hydroxylase enzyme is present, which is called 1-hydroxylase. So 25 hydroxylation occur in the liver, 1-hydroxylation occur in the kidney. Da khabariyat sati ha da MCQs liver, please. 25 hydroxylation liver, 1-hydroxylation in the kidney. The active form of vitamin D is formed in the kidney. Active form of vitamin D is formed in the kidney. Now, kalachi vitamin D ziyad jud bal munguwe che the parathyroid hormone hum effect te pa kidney bandi aga sakai aga vitamin D sakai increase kai positive kai ठीक शो او کله چې وټامین ډي 3 جوړ شي دا بلډ ته لاړ شي د دې درې افیکټس دي په کډنی باندې افیکټس دي په بون باندې افیکټس دي او په ګټ باندې دي په ګټ کې مونږ ویل چې اټ انکریز کیلشیم اینڈ فاسفیټ ری ابزورپشن and it leads to hypercalcemia and hyperphosphatemia. For bones ke hum same effect like gut, increase calcium and phosphate absorption. In the kidney, vitamin D have also same effect like the bone, calcium reabsorption and phosphate reabsorption, but the parathyroid hormone have negative effect, which increase calcium reabsorption and increase phosphate excretion. And decrease phosphate excretion, increase phosphate excretion will leads to increase ionized form of calcium in the blood, increase ionized form of calcium in the blood. Kale che phosphate dir ziyad the blood na uzi pa urine decrease in ionized calcium basewa shi. The indirect the effect or kai 25 the enzymes la kam chi 1-hydroxylase enzyme de chi tanur activity ma ko tam sara active form of vitamin D3 ma jodawa. Saka mu sara ionized calcium dir di. Now that is a feedback mechanism there. شو کله چې کیلشیم ډیر شي او فاسفیټ کم شي نو کیلشیم آینایز به ډیر شي کنه بلډ کې مونږ الریډي ویلو نو دا کیلشیم چې دا به نیگیټیو افیکټ ورکوي پیراتایرویډ له چې ته سم سیکریټ کوه پیراتایرویډ هورمون م سیکریټ کوه نو چې دا نه سیکریټ کیږي نو دلته به هایدروکسیلیز انزایم نه اکټیویټ کیږي نیگیټیو رول به Formation of 125 hydroxycalciferol is controlled inversely proportional to plasma level of calcium. Kalachi Munguelo inversely proportional. Da diri kala da calcium level diri gino da basiki ki da enzyme da bakamigi. When plasma calcium level rises, parathyroid hormone secretion is inhibited. Conversion of 25 hydroxycholecalciferol to 125 is prevented. No da basiki ki 25 no 125 da step ba prevent kigi. ठीक शो चले चाहिए plasma level सेवा कीगी. Next, instead vitamin D is converted to an inactive form. No chikala that step ne kigi, yo bal step dalta kigi agi the 25 125 paze basiki 24 25 hydroxylation bakigi. This form of the vitamin D is inactive form. Yeah. That step bane ki 125 paze 24 25 hydroxylation ki 24 hydroxylase enzyme bia मौजूदी कि अगर बा हाइड्रोक्सिलेशन के नो 24 25 बजोड़ेगी. ठीक शो सब क्वेश्चन इन तासो कोवले से प्लीज तासो कम this graph munguilo chi when plasma calcium increases the amount of active form of vitamin D is decreases. You can see up to 9.5 to 10 is the normal value of calcium is already we told. Now, when calcium increases beyond the normal limit, this is the normal limit. When it increases beyond this, the active form of vitamin D is decreases. It reaches almost to the zero. It reaches almost to the zero. Now, this is the other slide. Skin have vitamin D3 in the form of 7-dehydrocholesterol. Sunlight acts which form cholecalciferol and it goes through the blood to the liver. In the liver, 25 hydroxylation occur. It inhibit this reaction. Feedback mechanism, always there are feedback mechanism in our body. ज़्यादा सीधा पा रही चीज़ लगा मतलब दुमरा विटामिन डी जो नहीं से चाहे मुंगता नुकसान भी आ रहा हूँ से every system have feedback mechanism. The 25 hydroxycholecalciferol goes through the blood to the kidney. Or alta 125 the change. ठीक ना? और ब्याह दा दे effect पे intestinal epithelium दारे ची calcium binding protein से वाकई no receptor ची सेवा ची calcium बड़े ज़्यादा absorb कीगी calcium stimulated ATPase बसे वाकई no intestinal absorption बसे वाकई net effect इसने plasma calcium ion concentration बसे वाकई और the DBA feedback mechanism there the hypercalcemia and it leads to decreased parathyroid hormone and it inhibit this reaction or the deeper response ki chidani ki gino kami ho bakigi please satabakan world kigi 24-25 tabakan world kigi or daga chide daga inactive form of vitamin D de hormone affect of vitamin D to promote intestinal calcium absorption. The Mungal do at this by increasing formation of calcium binding protein in the intestinal epithelial cell. Vitamin D promotes phosphate absorption by the intestine. Vitamin D decreases renal calcium and phosphate excretion. Effect of vitamin D on bone and its relation to parathyroid hormone activity. Vitamin D is smaller amount quantity promote bone calcification. Now parathyroid hormone, physiological anatomy of parathyroid hormone, the chief cell and the parathyroid gland which secrete PTH. This is parathyroid glands beyond the thyroid in the neck. PTH increases plasma calcium concentration. It increases calcium and phosphate absorption in the bone. With the fast action of PTH, it decreases renal excretion of calcium. Rapid pace of calcium and phosphate absorption. Osteolysis पर rapid pace के दा osteolysis कई जगह चे bone ने reabsorption कई vitamin D activate कई vitamin D जी bone बाने action कई और the bone न सके calcium और phosphate blood ता exchange कई no osteolysis. Slow pace of bone reabsorption and calcium phosphate release. Activation of the osteoclasts. Osteoclasts do not themselves have membrane receptor for PTH. Osteoclast के the PTH दबारा receptor नहीं at osteoclast से कम पल major role play के अगर vitamin D दो जिन्हें play के ठीक शो PTH cause rapid loss of phosphate in the urine by decreasing tubular reabsorption. In contrast, PTH increases tubular reabsorption of calcium. The increased calcium absorption occur mainly in the late distal tubule and collecting tubules. PTH increases intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphate. Role of vitamin D. Direct effect of PTH is increase calcium and decrease phosphate, but if indirect effect through vitamin D is increase calcium and increase phosphate. PTH is controlled by plasma concentration of calcium, increase activity of parathyroid gland and pregnancy and lactation, condition that increase plasma calcium level above normal cause decreased activity and reduced size of the parathyroid gland. जगह feedback mechanism बड़ी ज़्यादा negative, जगह calcium plasma के डेरी नो अब negative feedback बजी आओ parathyroid hormone बनना decrease कीगी नो less active parathyroid glands by दाई दो जी नम parathyroid size कमी calcitonin هم يو hormones دي دا parafollicular C type cells كم بتhyroid की दी غين secret की गया دا direct effect दे दा effect है जिदा calcium level से की सेवा की plasma के next वजू this slide तक कता सू को रही है ना if you see when there is hypocalcemia the plasma PTH रहेगा ना और the plasma calcium तरफ थे और the plasma calcitonin तरफ थे चिकला calcium level से की गई the 12 नचर तराजी 4 तरफ तराजी 2 तरफ था नो parathyroid hormone बस की सेवा की दलता पर 12 बांधे almost 0 दे पर 10 बांधे 1 दे और पर 6 बांधे 2 दे नो चिकला calcium level decreases parathyroid hormone will increases उस दे तरफ तो गो रहे चिकला तासु सरा calcium level से की calcium level सेवा की calcium level the 8 ने जी दलता सुमरा दे 15 the 8 ने 15 ते जिन calcitonin level से की दाब कमी दाब से की कमी बस कि calcitonin increases calcium level indirect effect the calcitonin से दे hypercalcemia शवे दा calcitonin पे सुमरा दी पदे बांधे 0.8 لیول سیوا کیږي پیراتایرايډ هورمون به سیوا کی کمیږي به دا د ډیکریز پیراتایرايډ هورمون افیکټ ده او دا د انکریز پیراتایرايډ هورمون افیکټ ده net effect will be to normalize the body calcium in this range so the slide په خپل وګورئ تاسو به پوه شئ د دې ځینه به سٹارټ واخلئ first of all the increase دا وګورئ داس طرف بیا به د ډیکریز دا وګورئ ټوټل سمرایز بشي دلته به تاسو سره نارمل رینج به بیا راځي ٹھیک شو دا مونږ وی چې هایپر کیلسیمیا به کله مونږ یو چې کله مونږ سره کیلشیم لیول د 10.5 نه سیوا شي او د دې ساين سیمټمز دي کډنی سټونز جوړولای شي بون پین فریکچر انورکسیا به کانسټیپیشن به فیټیګ ویکنس به او د دې پرایمری کاز سره پیراتایرايډ هورمون سیکریشن به سیوا د پیراتایرايډ ګلینډ ٹھیک شو rickets یو بیماری ده چې which caused by deficiency of vitamin D but rickets occur in the childhood and deficiency of vitamin D in the adults leads to osteomalacia rickets چې دا disease of growing bones in the early childhood when there is decreased vitamin D کم کیلشیم او فاسفیټ پکار دی بون میټرکس د پارا نو هغه نه بون میټرکس is going to increase without calcium and phosphate نو the resulted bone بسې دا به weak وي او easily fracture کیږي با او په دې کې به changes بیا bendable bones وي ٹھیک شو lack of sun exposure هم د ریکټ یو کاز دی deficiency and diet of calcium or vitamin D هم د ریکټ یو کاز دی او decrease plasma calcium increase PTH secretion به سیوای ځکه چې calcium level به کم وي او bone reabsorption به سیوای ځکه چې په بلډ کې به calcium level کمی bone چې کم دا کم bone چې لګ calcium دی هغه هم reabsorption هغه به reabsorb کیږي او plasma کې به calcium level normalize کیږي bowed leg देता है bowed leg osteoporosis decreased bone matrix is the most common of all bone disease in the adult most common causes are inactivity malnutrition deficiency of vitamin C and older age markedly decreased growth hormone and other factors Cushing syndrome is one of the cause reduced secretion of estrogen and menopause that's why osteoporosis is very common in old women. This is normal bone and this is the trabeculation lost in osteoporosis due to reduced matrix synthesis. The matrix جوړیږي خو هغه مطلب mature matrix باندې due to deficiency of calcium and phosphate. کم افیکٹ کم بونز تاسو سره چې افیکٹ شي نو تاسو سره څه کوي سکولیوسس کوي تاسو سره کایپوسس کوي تاسو سره باوډ لیګ کوي ټیک شو په لیګ کې به تاسو سره بوینګ اپ لیګزي څنګه چې موږ د مخکینه پریکچر وکړو د ماشوم دا and that's all about calcium and phosphate څه کوېسچن یې زر زر مانه تاسو کوي ټایم کم دی